In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from any image just by using your Mac. Now, what we're going to use is one of Mac's default programs called Preview. So if we come over to here, we can see that we have the image just here that we want to remove the background from. Now, if we right click on this, go to Open With, then the preview is this one just here, and it should be set by default. Now, once you open your image, it's going to look like this. Now, what we want to do is come up to this little markup icon. If we click on here, it's going to open the rest of the toolbar, and we want this magic wand just here. Now, once we click on there, we can then click onto the background of the image and slowly kind of drag and highlight. Now, the more you do this, the more it's going to cover everything and it's not going to work, just like this. So you gently and slowly just want to make sure that the background is highlighted. Now, once it's done that and you click off, it's going to look like this, where it's cut around all of your images. Now, from here, we come up to Edit in the left-hand corner, and then come down to Delete. Now, once we click Delete, it has now deleted that background, and it does a pretty good job. So let's do a quick comparison so we can see what this looks like. If we click on here, this is the original image. Then if I quickly upload the image with the background removed as well, we can put that next to this image like that. Let's just move this down a little bit and make a bigger, and we can see that it actually does a pretty good job. So that's how you can remove the background from any image completely for free and by using your Mac. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to watch more, then click right here and watch my bite-sized Canva tutorials.